Hi, this is Nick. We are June 14. We're nearly 8 o'clock or 7:40 p.m. in the Netherlands, Central European time. We're looking at the market. Market is recovering a little bit after days of decline. When we look at Bitcoin, we were down, as you can see, about 62 from 7,600. This downward movement of the last couple of days, you can think that this is the downward movement has been broken and the price has been going up, but it's too short a time to really say that, because if you look at this movement, then also if you could draw a line here, you could see that the downward movement has been halted for now, but that's too unsecure. We cannot say anything certainly about this. It looks like the old support level of about 6,400 has been holding for now, and as you can see here, 6,400, that's where we are right now, and we have moved up a little bit from that low point, but we have to wait and see whether it will really hold or not. Of course, this downward movement from December down to 19,000 to here at the 6,200, 6,400 has of course been broken already quite a while. The upward movement up to 10 was too much because the resistance at 10 was too much to break, and then the price went down again to test its former low and see whether the support level holds. We have to wait and see. As with the other top 10 currencies, you can see it's all a bit the same. There was a bit of a scare about Ethereum. At some point about 20 million or 25 million dollars worth of Ethereum was stolen, and there was a scare about that, and then that was a little movement, but as you can see, the scare is over and people jumped up on it, and it has been recovering since, together with the movement of Bitcoin and the support level. The lowest here is 360, and here we are, there's nothing significant here. 450 is another support level, and here 415, that's where we are now. There is this little point. I don't know, it looks like a not so strong support level here, but as for now it has hold, and so we have to wait and see what will happen from here. As you can see, all the other prices are in line with the movement of Bitcoin. So it looks like the downward movement has come to a stop for now, although it's quite insecure what will happen. It's too early to say whether this is really the bottom for now. Interesting movement of Tron. As you can see, the beginning of the year, a strong movement up, and now we are not quite testing the 3 cents down level, support level, I mean. So we have to wait and see whether this all continues or not. As for Firstcoin, that's an interesting development. As you can see, let's look at the one-day chart first. As you can see, yesterday we were around 1 cent at 6 o'clock in the evening on June 13. And then since then, the price has gone up to 2 cents, and now we are nearly more than 9 cents. And what happened was that there is a fight behind the screens between the new management and the owner, and the owner as part of the old management. They don't agree, and we're not quite sure what has happened, but the owner has said that the new management has kind of hijacked the Firstcoin, and they are creating a new coin called Jack coin. Everybody in Firstcoin who has an account in Firstcoin will get an account in Jackcoin as well. And then the owner said he wants to take back Firstcoin, and he said he would put 50 Bitcoin on Yobit and buy buy up every Firstcoin that people are offering. Well, of course, if you do something like that, there's a lot of speculation in the market, and that's exactly what's happening now. As you can see, the volume has moved up from around 1,000, which it has been for the last week or last couple of weeks. $1,000 a day, it has moved up to $165,000. And as you can see, there's a huge speculation as what will happen. Of course, everybody jumps on this bandwagon, but it's not quite sure how far this will go and how long this 50 Bitcoin will last, and whether it's just a move for him to speculate in this, drive up the price and maybe sell at a higher price, because he might have he probably has a lot of Firstcoin himself. So if it's just a move to drive up the price to get more money for his own stack of Firstcoins, or whether it's really intention to restart Firstcoin and recreate the old plans and system, and really will move along with Firstcoin and really put some more life into it and restart the project. We don't know. We just don't know. But it's interesting what will happen. Of course, you can always try to jump on this moving train, but be very careful, because you never know how far it will go, and all these jumps up are usually followed by a huge jump down. If you look at the 7-day chart, you even see how quickly it goes up. It goes straight up, and always there is a limit. And then as soon as the price goes down, everybody tries to sell, and then you will never sell at the top. So you have to be very careful. You have to really watch what's happening, and then you might be making a little bit of money there. So it's interesting to see. It might continue if it really the project is relived, or get some new energy, and the old owner, or the current owner, still owner, will take over the Firstcoin project, then this price might go up way further. We don't know. The Jackcoin, the new coin, will launch in about 10 days, around 24 of June. And also, we do not know what that new management will then do with their Firstcoin project, if they will continue to manage it or not. I will keep you updated. As of now, this is not financial advice. As I always say, you can jump on it or not, but just be very careful. Thank you very much for now, and I'll see you back next time.